everybody. Welcome back to Taqueria Chilangas in Cozumel. We're going to make lemonade. Everybody say hello to Carmen. Carmen, go ahead and show us how you make lemonade. We're ready for you. Actually, we use lime. That's fresh sugar. Putting in some fresh purified water. Some purified ice. It's real basic. Very simple ingredients. Fresh lime, sugar, ice, in a blender. Everything's purified. You put it through a strainer to get out any seeds or skin. The skin also helps give some good flavor. And that's it. Voila. Una limonada. Con un popote.
Se la llevo aquí.